Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. Just a little bit of quick news. New ShellShock protection, EXO Pro Elite electronic hearing protection just dropped. I'm going to be reading from the firearmblog.com, so all credit to them. So ShellShock protection is slowly making a name for themselves in the eye and ear pro sector of the firearm industry. And one of their first product releases ever was in 2024, and now they have something new for us in the EXO Pro Elite electronic hearing protection. An over-ear muff tooting excellent noise mitigation at an accessible price point, making it affordable for most people. So the new EXO Pro Elite Ear Pro is set to officially launch on June 20th. 2026, very soon of this month, and is available now for pre-orders through ShellShock Protection's website for customers who want it to secure their pay early. Now, the EXO Pro Elite is going to have an SRP of $119 while delivering premium features usually found in significantly more expensive hearing protection systems. Additionally, every EXO Pro Elite purchase will include a free drop-proof protective case at about $35 value. A sampling of some of the features and benefits are listed below here that we're going to get into as presented by the company. So protection against damaging impulse noise, application of low-level sounds, conversations and range commands, lightning fast 0.5 millisecond attack time, up to 25 times faster than many competing products. It also includes upgraded Pure Seal gel ear seals for enhanced comfort and improved sealing performance, as well as enhanced communication and environmental awareness, reliability in operation in demanding shooting environments, same ultra low profile, compact form factor preferred by shooters, and just a word from ShellShock Protection on their new EXO Pro Elite electronic hearing protection. So this was on June. So this month in Austin, Texas, ShellShock Protection is excited to share the upcoming launch of the EXO Pro Elite, the company's most advanced electronic hearing protection system to date, designed specifically for shooters, range enthusiasts, hunters, and firearms professionals. The EXO Pro Elite builds upon the success of the ShellShock Protection's popular EXO Pro model that released in 2024 with significant upgrades in hearing protection, sound clarity, comfort, and overall performance. The EXO Pro Elite was developed to address the most common frustrations shooters experience with traditional hearing protection, said Eric Hung, owner of ShellShock Protection. He says, quote, many electronic earmuffs force users to compromise between protection, comfort, and situational awareness. We set out to eliminate those trade-offs and create a product that delivers premium performance without the premium price tag. So, final thoughts, again, we can put these in the coming soon category as they are not immediately available for sale, but you can start placing your pre-orders now if this Ear Pro really trips your trigger. So let me know if you're going to be picking up ShellShock Protection's new EXO Pro Elite electronic hearing protection earmuffs, and they look great. And the 2024 previous model did pretty well in sales, so I'm curious if this one will do even better. If you enjoyed watching, please drop a a like, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated. It helps me out a lot. Only takes a few seconds. And subscribe, especially if you're a new viewer. It only takes 1 second. Do it now. And ring the bell. That way you won't miss any video that I post in the future, guys. And check out my older stuff on the channel. Lots of videos to binge watch. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Take care.